Unlock amazing savings and exclusive perks by mastering Temu's referral program. First, you'll need to download and open the Temu app. If you don't have it yet, search for Temu in your app store and install it once you're logged in. Let's dive into finding and using those valuable referral codes. Tap on the profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to all your account settings and personal information. Within your profile, look for an option that says Refer and Earn or Invite Friends. This is where the magic happens. This section is dedicated to your invitation link and any current referral bonuses. Here, you'll see your unique referral code or invitation link. To share it, tap the Copy button now. You have your personal code ready to share with friends and family. You can now paste this code into a text message, email, or any social media platform to invite your network to join Temu when they sign up using your link and make their first purchase. You'll typically earn a reward or discount. Now, let's talk about applying a code you've received. Go back to the Temu homepage, look for a banner or a prompt that says Enter Code or Redeem Code. This is often displayed prominently when you first open the app or within special promotion sections. Tap on this option, and a new screen will appear with a field to enter the referral code. Carefully type in the code you received from your friend or family member, ensuring there are no typos. Once you've entered the code, tap Apply. If the code is valid and you meet the program's requirements, you'll see your discount applied, bonus points added to your account, or a notification of your earned reward. It's that simple to get more for your money on Temu. By actively using and sharing referral codes, you can significantly enhance your Temu shopping experience, getting great deals and helping your friends save. To happy shopping!